Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our peach cobbler turnovers, everybody. Yes. Okay, this is the secret. It's all about what you put in your cobbler, everybody. You know, brown sugar, cinnamon, vanilla, a little bit of more sugar, and you can add in some nutmeg if you choose. Whatever it is, it's about the flavor. Then we go ahead and we went on and stuffed them on into our little pastry shells here, and we went on and covered them up with some nice butter and baked it at 350 degrees for a good 20 minutes. And look at this. We went on and used some of that good old goodness and put some of that good old powdered sugar in there and made it into some icing from that cobbler juice. Look at that, just mouth-watering. I'm telling you, this is what's wonderful for your children, everybody. At least you know what's in your pockets for the children. It's all about the healthy eating and everything else. But peach cobbler turnovers here at Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Now, I just want to say, these are just delicious, light and flaky, because we use pastry dough, everybody. But look at this, look at that. Oh, it's just mouth-watering delicious. It sure is. We also have our cookbooks available at Mama Soul Kitchen and Amazon. And we also have, if you have a sweet tooth like that, we have the Just Desserts Child cookbook as well on Mama Soul Kitchen on Amazon.